International Day of Democracy, 15 September. What is International Day of Democracy? Honorable Mr. President, respected principal, and my all respected teachers and my dear school fellows, good morning. Today I have got an opportunity to speak something on the topic of democracy. Respected audience, the word democracy has its own roots in the Greek term demokratia, meaning rule by the people. Demos mean people and kratos means rule. It is political system in which people, not monarch, king or queen or aristocracies like lord rule. Honorable audience, in an easy term, democracy is an opportunity to review the state of democracy in the world. Democracy is as much a process as a goal, and only with full participation of and supported by international community, national government bodies, civil society and individuals can the ideal of democracy be made into a reality to be enjoyed by everyone everywhere. Respected sir, the values of freedom, respect of human rights and the principle of holding periodic and genuine elections by universal suffrage are essential elements of democracy. In turn, democracy provides the natural environment for the protection and effective realization of human rights. Respected sir, these values are embodied in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and further developed in the International Agreement on Civil and Political Rights, which preserves a host of political rights and civil liberties, supporting meaningful democracies. Mr. President, the link between democracies and human rights is captured in Article 21 by 3 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which states, "The will of the people shall be the basis of the authority of government. This will shall be expressed in periodic and genuine elections, which shall be by universal and equal suffrage, and shall be held by secret vote or by equivalent free voting procedure." Mr. President, in the last, I would say to like that man's capacity for justice makes democracy possible, but man's inclination to injustice makes democracy necessary. Thank you.